Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well today. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick mini life update. And those are my dogs. Oh, the first thing is that I dyed my hair orangey red again. Well, my husband did. And I think he did a really good job for his first time dyeing my hair. Last month, I had to get shoulder surgery because I hurt my right shoulder while I was rollerblading last summer of 2023. Well, I wasn't rollerblading, I wasn't moving, I was standing still, but my left foot went forward and I lost my balance and I fell on my elbow, my right elbow. But I was wearing, the knee pads, shoulder pads, those hand glove things and helmet. So my elbow was fine. But yeah, it took me a while to go to the doctors because I just didn't think it was that bad. I was still able to move my arm. Oh, I'm sorry for all the background noise. Like the traffic noise. And the birds are singing right now. I'm pacing in my backyard because I can't sit still while recording this video because I'm not used to it. I'm usually making something, knitting or crocheting or needle felting. So, I can't sit still regardless. But yeah. I'm really sorry if the background noise bothers you. But I forgot what I was saying. So I decided to go to the doctor when I wasn't able to work out like normal, and also when my right arm would start feeling tired or like it was too heavy while I was driving. So I went to the doctor. They took some x-rays and I had to get an MRI done. And so my doctor, who's also my surgeon, when he went in my shoulder with a little camera thing, they saw that I had 2 injuries instead of just the one that they thought. I forgot what the injuries were called. But so because it was worse than they thought, and they didn't see it on the MRI, instead of starting my physical therapy 2 weeks after my surgery, I have to start it 4 weeks after my surgery. So I've been having to wear my sling That's why I haven't been uploading. I'm gonna try to upload a diamond painting video of this diamond paint kit that I got. It gave me Sailor Moon vibes, so I wanted to get it. I wasn't gonna get it because I think it was like $21, and that was a lot. I think that was a lot, but my husband put it in the cart anyways. But I hope you guys have a good rest of your day and a good night, and I'll see you guys in my next video.